In the previous lecture, we discussed how to fill in your general profile. By the way, you can have 2 additional profiles that specialize in certain areas. Why is it important to do it? In some general professions, it is easy to find many different specialists who perform various tasks. For example, the term designer can encompass a graphic designer who works with printed materials, an illustrator who creates illustrations, a web designer who deals with website design, and so on. Upwork understands this diversity and strives to help clients find suitable experts and help freelancers find projects that best match their skills. These individual specializations have completed additional profiles with their own titles, descriptions, and even hourly rates. You will have the opportunity to choose from specific profiles to respond to for a particular project. For Upwork, it is important to have a match between their specialization indicated by the client and those you specify in your proposal. Which specialization should you choose for yourself? The ones that are most commonly encountered in projects suitable for you. In the preparatory lecture, we discussed how to find suitable projects, and we even saved such specializations in a table. What should you do if clients post projects specifying different specializations? Choose the 2 most commonly used ones, and that will be enough to match in most cases. For those projects where the clients made a mistake and indicated an incorrect specialization that doesn't suit you, there is nothing to worry about. Send your proposal for such projects as well.